Hey, are you a business and you do marketing and maybe you use some marketing software called High Level or Go High Level, and maybe you collect payments through Go High Level. Maybe you're set up with Stripe. I don't know if you saw a lot of the chatter on the High Level Facebook, kind of like the member site, the people that are using the software. There was a lot of them had gotten letters, and Stripe was raising their prices, and some of them even got their funds frozen from Stripe. And especially if you own like a high ticket business where you charge a large dollar amount for your services and you're using Go High Level, there is an alternative to be able to connect up a third-party processor other than Stripe. Stripe charges a flat rate, which is going to be your highest rate. We offer a interchange pricing. That is a lot better pricing structure than your flat rate pricing. And the reason why is because there's different card types that come through the door. It's the advantage to the business owner. So if a card type that comes through is a little bit less than what Stripe is charging on their flat rate, then you are the beneficiary, not Stripe. Today, another high-ticket business that is wanting to run their processing through our business and through our processors, and they wanted an alternative to Stripe, so we provided that for them. So if you know anybody that is using High Level or connected up to Stripe and they want a better alternative, better pricing structure, better customer service, and where the prices aren't going to go up, then click the link in my bio, and we'll be glad to send you some more information, some free information on how that all works.